Have you had strange problems with the Zoom H4n when connected as an audio interface with your laptop or PC? Well, the problem might have a really easy fix. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide the assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. When I use the Zoom H4n to connect to the laptop, I set it to operate at 48 kilohertz as opposed to what the device defaults to, which I believe is 44 kilohertz. And on my laptop, when I go to the sound control panel, it says CD is 44 kilohertz and DVD quality is 48 kilohertz, which is why I decided to use the 48 kilohertz. I'm not sure if I can tell the difference between 44 and 48 kilohertz, but I just wanted to make sure I used the higher quality recording or the higher quality option. And when I plugged in the Zoom into the USB and the device driver installed fine, everything looked good, but I had a problem. I could not record my voice. My laptop could not hear the device. The microphone wasn't working when it was set to record with the Zoom. So it puzzled me. It took me a while. Then I finally found the answer. So what you do if you have this problem is make sure your Zoom is operating at the same kilohertz as your laptop. Since I set my Zoom to 48 kilohertz, I needed to go to the control panel of my laptop and adjust the kilohertz. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that right now. Just right click your speaker icon down here and go to open sound settings. You can also reach that through the Windows search feature here. And from here, go to the sound control panel. You could type in sound control panel here as well. And okay, go to recording. And here, the microphone. The microphone was a problem. The playback and headphones was fine, but the recording was not happening. So this is where you go. It says 2 here because I plugged it into 2 different USB ports in my laptop, and this is the second one. They operate separately. Whenever you plug in the Zoom into one USB and another USB on your laptop, they operate slightly the same. They come with the different settings. So this is for the port 2 USB H4. Double click that and then go to advanced, and this is where you can control it. So I'm set to 2-channel 16-bit 48 kilohertz DVD quality. Okay, the other option is 2-channel 16-bit 44 hertz CD quality. That was a problem. When these are not matching, the two can't talk to each other in terms of the microphone. The headphones can still work. So just make sure if you have your Zoom set to 44 kilohertz, then this should be set to 44 kilohertz. Since mine is at 48 kilohertz in DVD quality, so I had to set this to 48 kilohertz. And then everything worked fine, and there was no problem after that. Okay, and that's it, and I hope that fixes your problem. By the way, the Zoom H4n has been discontinued. My device is probably about 8 years old and it's still working well. It's a really good, high quality recording piece of device, really solid construction, and it's lasted all these years. It's still working. No need to replace it right now, but it's discontinued, so if you wanted to buy one, you'd have to buy it used from somewhere. If you'd like, check the description section below to see which are the replacement devices. Maybe it's even better these days. I'm sure it's gotten better. Okay, and thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.